Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to be making a custom sign for the YouTuber Airrack. So he is super inspirational and he got 1 million subscribers in over a year. And he started a YouTuber program class, which I enrolled in. It's called #creatornow. So this program creates a sense of community. His whole thing is you're not going to be able to do this alone. He didn't do it alone. So he created this community so everyone can work together. And to show my appreciation for him, I'm going to make him a little sign with my favorite quote he says, which is, if you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. And then I'm going to put that on here and I'm going to sign his name. And hopefully I'll be able to send that to him so he can carry that around in his backpack or put it on his desk or whatever he wants to do with it. Alright, so the plan for the video is to clean cut the edges of this piece of wood. Then after that's done, I'm going to break all the edges with a piece of sandpaper or the orbital sander. Then I'm going to paint the entire thing black. After it's painted black, what I'm going to do is I'm probably going to put ore mask on there and then go to the computer and engrave, if you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together, with Airrack on there, his brand logo. And then I'm thinking I might paint that maybe blue or red or purple or some color to make it really stand out. Then after that's done, I'm going to send it to him. Alright, so like I just said, the first thing to do is clean cut the edges. So let's get right into that. Alrighty, so I got the board all squared up. Now I'm going to break the edges with a piece of sandpaper and this sanding block. Alright, the edges have been broken. Time to hit it with some black spray paint. Alrighty, so now I got the piece all spray painted. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure it out, figure out the size of this, and then I'm going to go over to the computer and program up the cut file for it. Alrighty, so this measures out to 11 by 5 7/8. Alright, so now I'm over at the computer and I'm going to make a new model. So the width on that was 11, and the height on that was 5.875. Alright, so if you look at all his other merch, it's big blocky letter with his signature. So I'm going to do something similar to that. Alright, so I messed around with it a little more, fixed some vectors, and this is what it will look like after it's carved. Alright, so now I got the machine homed up, and I got the tool loaded in already for a different project. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw some ore mask on here, so after I carve it, I can paint the letters white. So let's do that. Alright, I got the Aura mask on, so now it's time to load the part up into the machine. Alright, so I got the part all loaded in, so now it's time to 0Z, so it's X and Y is in this back corner, so I don't need to do that. Alright, so now I got X, Y, and Z 0, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to load up the file, and then I'm going to run the part. So let's do that right now. Alright guys, so this sign just finished carving, so now I'm going to hit the letters with some white spray paint, and then the sign will be done. Alrighty, so the spray paint is now dried, so I'm going to peel the Aura mask off and the sign is complete. Alright, so I got the sign all done. It looks pretty sweet. I'm really happy with how that turned out. So if you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them down below. Thank you again. Have a great day.